Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn money watching videos and trailers on your mobile phone. Now that sounds insane, but it's true. So I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. This is going to show you how you can earn money watching videos and trailers just using your phone. Now the best bit about this is it can be on Android or on Apple. Now this is a great method for anyone who's looking at making some money, some real easy money. You can earn from $2 up to $80 with this method. It's perfect for anybody if you're new to internet marketing or you're even an experienced marketer. It's great how I will show you how to do absolutely everything from start to finish. I'll show you the website where you need to go and what you need to do. And like I said, this is perfect. It works on iPhone or Android. Now watch this video to the end, guys. It's a really simple, easy way to make passive income online. It is a passive income. You can use this as much as you want or as little as you want. You can make unlimited money and it's free to start up like all my methods are. Now before we get on with the training, guys, do me a favor, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Why? Because that way when I upload a video, you'll be the first ones to see it. You're the first ones to get it. You're the first ones to try it out and you're the first ones to make some money. And that is what it's all about. That is why I make these videos. So please, guys, do me a big favor, please hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I'd really, really appreciate it. Now, the other thing I'm doing for you guys at the moment is I'm offering you some free training. For those of you that follow me, I'm an affiliate marketer. I make products to do with make money online, and I also affiliate other people's products. Now I've put some free training together, and if you look under the comments in this video, you'll see there's a little bit here that says get my free training. Just click that and you'll get 7 videos on how to use Warrior Plus and how you can start making some money affiliate marketing, and it works. It's a really good method. Best bit, it's free just for you guys. So let's jump onto the website. I'm Bobby D from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, keep Bobby happy. Let's move on. So the site I want you to go to, guys, is apptrailers.com. Apptrailers.com, and there's 2 parts to this. So this is the website here, and it says watch trailers of hot apps and earn rewards. And you can redeem your reward points with instant gift cards and cash from PayPal. Okay. Now it says here available on the App Store or on Google Play. I'll come on to that in a second. And basically, this is all about watching videos and previewing videos from 2 minutes up to about 20 minutes. There's a little video. I won't play it all.
Are you interested in learning more about apps but don't have time to demo them right now? Then let us do it for you. App Trailers lets you discover the full functionality of an app in less than 30 seconds, saving you valuable time and money.
So developers will publish their apps on this site and you will watch the videos and basically make sure they work and review them, and you get paid. So you watch trailers of hot apps, you collect reward points, and then you redeem them. So how this works is the more apps that you watch, the more points that you get, and then when you get a certain number of points, you can redeem those for cash, Amazon, Sephora, Foot Locker, iTunes, whatever you want. And these are some of the things that you can do. So really good. So what you need to do is go over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in App Trailers and download this. 42,000 people have downloaded it and it's got 4 stars, so you know it is good. And this is how it sets it up. Play a quiz, watch a video, play a game, and you get points for each one. Okay, the more points you get, the more prizes you get. Okay, so make sure you download that. That's App Trailers within the Google Play Store or iTunes. Now if you jump over to YouTube and just type in App Trailers, you can see people's reviews on here. How I made $160. You know, how to get fast points. There's little hacks that people do. How to earn extra cash. How to make lots of money. Interesting hack. No jailbreak. So there's loads of ways of doing this. How to get 10,000 points. Brilliant. Just by leaving your phone on all day. All right. There's loads of hacks on there. Just look those up. And you can start making some really, really easy money, guys. It's a good site. I've looked it up. I've done a bit of due diligence around it. It definitely makes money, and you can make money too. Like I said, up to $80 per watching a video, or per day you could earn depending on the number of videos that you watch. So highly recommended. Look at the website, apptrailers.com. Go to the store, Google or iTunes, App Trailers, download it. And if you want to do some research on it, you can do it on there. Now, I just want to show you a couple more things, guys. This is my YouTube site, Bobby D Marketing. And as you can see, I've got hundreds of videos on there. Not only how to make money online, there are hundreds of affiliate reviews on there of products that I review. Like this one, that's my own one. Guys, have a look on here. There's loads of money making methods on there, including my own launches. It's a really good site. Please hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you go to one of my videos, you can go to any one of them here. I'm just going to pause it quickly.
And the other thing I'm doing for you guys before we start,
it's a good place to pause it.
Is I'm giving.
Oh, sorry, my internet is dreadful today. Go down to the comments down below, and you can see here. Grab my free affiliate marketing training. If you click that, it will take you across to my webpage where I'm offering, or I'm giving you for free, 7 videos all about affiliate marketing and how to make money being an affiliate. You can watch all them, they're all free, and that's good. And this is my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. Again, I review products. Jump over there, guys, have a look. There's hundreds of reviews on there. These are products that I review. I'll give you an honest review. If it's rubbish, I'll tell you. If it's not, I'll tell you. That's 9.3 out of 10. This is a really good program. This CPA project. It's all about making money with CPA offers. And on each one of my offers, I give you a bonus bundle. On this one, you're getting, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 free products for free. Okay, guys. So that is really good. So make sure you jump over to my website and have a look, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. And if you buy things through my link like this one, it will take you to a load of bonuses. That is it, guys, for that video. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. See you in the next one.